Good morning, Steph here, and today we're going to take a look at a quick little jewelry lot here. You know, the price of jewelry has been just exploding lately, and I really don't like paying too much for it because I know that jewelry is pretty much a gamble, and if you don't find anything good, then you'll be out for a while waiting for base metal stuff to sell. It doesn't sell very fast, and it doesn't sell for very much. Of course, there's still a profit to be had on most of the times I buy jewelry, but I try to keep it under a certain amount per pound. Lately, it's been $10. It used to be lower, but everything's going up, and so I feel like it's a good idea to keep some of your wealth in jewelry. I think, even ugly stuff, it's still a somewhat compact form of wealth, even if it's base metal. A decent pair of cufflinks still might retail for $10, $15, $20 if it has a nice design. So, I like jewelry. I specialize, and I wouldn't say specialize, but I usually dabble in cufflinks because it's men's jewelry. And men's jewelry goes, or at least it used to go, a lot lower. But, yeah, I'm not finding it very easy to find this stuff at a cheap price. This one, though, I did find it at a cheap price. They come in with a little paper here. Funny, they mark it as does not contain precious metals or stones. Well, let's test that theory out, shall we? Right off the bat, I do see some pretty nice belt buckles. And I'll just tell you all really fast. I took this lot home for $80. Really good price for it. Given that there was about 8 pounds, it looks like some good stuff was showing already. I can see some pretty mother of pearl belt buckles. Bolo tie. Okay, here's a belt buckle. What y'all think about that? Brass. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think that's worth that much. Alright. Look at this stuff first. Okay, I like Bolo Ties. I've sold a couple of them. First to a Pac-Man. Ooh, Blinky. That's cool. Well, I don't know which one it is, just due to the color, but hey, this is nice. I would take that. Put the belt buckles first and get them out of the way. There's quite a few. Pink one says Hope, all jeweled up. Tag this with a Z. Okay. Leather says a gem on it. I don't know about that one. Maybe that's worth something. I don't know. Brass. Buck. Nice. Go about some stuff here. The name is Desi. Desi. Copyright 1975. Okay. Nice. Love it so far. Generic. This is a bicentennial. Celebrity. It's faux pewter. I don't think that's worth that much. Alaska. Okay, that's cool. Nothing wrong with that. Siskiyou Buckle Company. I know that they're a big maker. Should be easy sale. There's a Minnesota Vikings enamel piece. It's from 1971, made in Spain, exclusively for HJ Orbit Corp, New York City. Copyright 1971 by WFL Properties Incorporated. Yeah, that's kind of neat. Oh, vintage. I think it's kind of safe to say that. Oh, I can glue that back on. Not a problem. No name on it though. But I could see someone liking it. I can see someone liking this. Okay. Usually they don't mix women's and men's stuff. But that's alright. Electrician. Good okay. And we got ourselves something gold plated over here. N-A-N Lewis. Please tell me that's a good maker. I hope that's a good maker. I've stumbled upon a 14-karat belt buckle. Oh, I'd always dream that. Okay, let's look at the Bolo Ties here. We got some Bolo Ties here. Okay. It's alright. Alright, so this is a pretty interesting bolo tie. This one looks like a Mexican alpaca. Actually, I just sold one of these. So there's the marking on it. It's marked Mexico, and that's exactly what I expected to see because I've sold one of these before, and I didn't know that it was valuable because it not being real silver. I just made the assumption that it wasn't, but it sold immediately, which means to me that I sold it too low of a price. So I'll rectify that next time I try to get rid of this. So here we've got another bolo. I've been able to get rid of bolos for around 8 to 15 bucks. Again, it looks like we've got nickel silver, I would imagine, from the looks of it. Go look at it. It says, yeah, nickel silver. Rock Mount, Denver, Colorado. Rock Mountain. I guess that's a brand name. Easy 8 bucks, 10 bucks. And we've got one more bolo, I believe. No, there's way more actually. This is a really good box. This Moosehead bolo should sell as well. And we're looking at, I think it's real pewter this time. Something up here that locks it. And we've got no brand name on this one though. No brand name. Okay, well, here it is. Oh, cool. So this one looks like it's real turquoise. A real turquoise bolo. Dude, that is badass wicked. I love it. I think this could be worth something. I don't know anything about gems, and that's unfortunate, but I'm fairly certain that this is real, and if it's real, then it's gotta be worth quite a bit, right? Especially something this big. Turquoise is that's a decent specimen from my understanding. This one shouldn't go very high, I guess, because it's kind of plain, but it is a pretty. Maybe somebody will like that, just the simple look. And looks like one more bolo to discuss. State of Oklahoma. Okay. And there's a name on it. Under the clasp that locks it. A-A-M. A-M. Alrighty then. That's it for the bolos. Let's see. One more. Two more. This pretty alpaca, Mexico. belt buckle is very beautiful. This is so cool. I think it's worth a lot. And I missed this earlier. A belt buckle with the rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. And we've got a company, Bergamo Brassworks Incorporated. And near the king was the white rabbit with a trumpet in one hand and a scroll of parchment in the other. Cool, cool. Sorry, I'm always sniffling when I'm doing these because I think I'm allergic to people's perfumes and colognes and all that stuff. Because when you're handling jewelry, the stuff usually makes contact with people's skin for a long time, and I get that whiff of the fragrance, and I'm usually very allergic to that. Luckily, it's not. It doesn't seem to happen in person, which is weird to me. But every time I do these jewelry boxes, I feel quite sneezy. Okay, this is all right, but this seems like a good place to stop for now, and I'll put the cufflinks out in part 2 for this video series. All right. Well, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Good marks goes out for now.